Yabba dabba doo. We're in Custer, South Dakota, and here is Dino. Dino was at Bedrock. At Bedrock City, South Dakota, back in the day. It was built in the 70s and closed in 2015. And sadly, in 2019, all of the Bedrock, all of the Flintstone stuff was taken out. We got lunch. What's the name of the place?
No idea.
I will dub in the name of the place after I look at the picture. Oh, no. We got food at Miner's Cup, and it's delish looking. I got Old Timer. It is a breakfast sandwich. It's just bacon, egg, and cheese, and a biscuit.
They're delicious.
The biscuit was my wild child move. It's a drive-through / walk-up place. We went exploring here 2 years ago into the Bedrock City. So cool. Yeah, we're filming ourselves eating, standing in a field. Like, that's weird. We also got, Miner's Cup.
It's a drive up. Kind of slick. Didn't have to get a car, nothing.
Thank you to our sponsor, Maryland, for the color-coded straws so that we don't always struggle with whose straw is whose. Maryland is also known as Mi Madre. She's watching Bacon right now. Thanks, Mom.
We're going to the Needles next.
Today we did, we drive all the back roads, went through the wildlife loop. Come to Custer. Yeah, gotta go to the wildlife loop.
The best.
Let's use the bathroom at the VFW. I gotta go bathroom.
That's about the weirdest thing you ever said.
I'm so excited.
How is that?
I feel good. Yeah, we're filming ourselves standing in the parking lot eating. Stop staring at us, weirdo.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah. It's real good.
Do you want to try it, man? Mine's delicious.
This is a frappe. A large frappe. Yeah. I like pickles. What was that called?
Don't know.
Gold digger?
Nothing
One
but
of those sandwich.
gold digger. Do Conway song.
No, Conway.
Kanye West. Do
It's
it.
not Kanye West.
Was it?
I don't think so.
And something
She ain't
about the
nothing but a
Hyundai.
gold digger. I can't sing that song.
About the Santa Fe.
Oh, get down, girl, go ahead,
Oh,
get
get
down.
down.
Get down, girl, go ahead,
Get
get down. Play Super Bowl, drive off in a Hyundai. So, Miner's Cup.
Here's another pickle one.
I like pickles. We're in Custer. Go yeah.
Custer's
And
a good
yeah.
place to go eat because it's not.
And it was cheap. This was $4.
Don't go to Keystone and eat. Hill City. Go
right.
to Custer.
Because this is where just people are. This isn't where the tourists are. I mean, tourists are here, obs, but not as many tourists. So it's more real prices.
It's not kitschy.
Which is
Nice.
like, so there's white collar, blue collar, and then what is the other thing? Because that's what's here. Is it rancher collar? I don't know. They're a hard-working folk. That's what I would say.
There were some houses inside Spearfish Canyon that were amazing.
Dino's gonna try some Spearfish Canyon. We went there yesterday.
Beautiful.
Yeah. All right.
Bad tornado.
Bad tornado happened just like within the last week. Really
bad.
knocked down the tips of the trees. This is a tree.
It
That's
was
what
an
happened.
EF1. Or that's probably bad.
EF1?
Uh-huh.
Isn't it just F1?
No, I thought it said EF1.
And there's gold in them there hills. That is a huge piece.
Yeah, it is. What is that called?
Mica?
Yeah.
Wait. No, I just think that's plastic. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Dito. Yabba-dabba-doo.